Hello little learners, welcome and namaskar. Today we are going to do chapter number 19, short forms. Short forms को हम और क्या बोलते हैं बच्चों? Contraction. How to read it? Contractions. Come on, read it with me. Contractions. And the learning objective of this lesson is, by the end of this lesson, you will be able to define and identify contractions, yani short forms. You will also be able to identify commonly contracted words. You will also be able to identify frequently used contractions. Come on, let's get going. Come on, let's see that contraction होता क्या है. तो the shortened form of two or more words. The shortened form of two or more words to form one word. यानी जब दो और दो से ज्यादा वर्ड शॉर्ट किए जाते हैं to form only one word is known as contraction. Okay, repeat with me. The shortened form of two or more words to form one word is known as a contraction. The shortened form of two or more words to form one word is known as contraction, or we can say short form. Now let's see the examples. It's so hot. Here it is the contraction form of it plus is. Here it's is the contraction form of it plus is. Okay, ये किससे बना है? It plus is. It is. It is को contrast किया गया और क्या बना दिया गया? It's, by using apostrophe. Then I am tired and thirsty. I am is word made up of I plus am. I am tired and thirsty. Here we can also say that contraction contain fewer letters than the original words or than the original one. Okay, dear kids, we can say that contraction contain fewer letter, yani थोड़े letters as compared to the original word. अगर original word है it is, तो हमने क्या कर दिया उसको? It apostrophe s, it's ऐसा कर दिया. I am को हमने क्या कर दिया? I am. Understood? Come on kids, it's time to see forming contraction. हम contraction को कैसे form कर सकते हैं या हम short form को कैसे form कर सकते हैं? While contracting two words, one or more letter of this word are removed. यानी जब हम contraction form करते हैं तब one या more letter remove हो जाता है. The missing letter or letters is then replaced by a punctuation mark called an apostrophe. बाद में हम उसको किससे करते हैं? apostrophe लगा के s लगाते हैं. See, the word its is formed from the word it is. Similarly, I am becomes I am. Remember, dear kids, contraction are identified by the apostrophe sign and shortened words. Alright, now let's move forward and see some frequently used contractions. Dear kids, these are few of the frequently used contraction. I am becomes I am, you are, your, they are, their, we are, we're, he has, he is, I will, I'll, we will, we'll, I have, we have, she has, she's. Understood, dear kids? These are few of the frequently used contraction. Dear kids, it's time to open your textbook. Please open your textbook. page number 75, and let us look what our textbook says to us. Dear kids, please open page number 75. Short forms, which is also known as contraction. Write it down. Contraction. And sometime we join two words to form one word. In such a word, some letters are left out and we add an apostrophe in their place. As I told you earlier also, कुछ words जब हम join करते हैं two words to form one word, in such a word some letters are left out and we add an apostrophe in their place. For example, I am becomes I apostrophe am. I am. He is. He is. You are. You are. She is. She is. These words are called short forms. These words are called short forms. Let us read the short form of some pair of words. These are the long forms which are given in your left hand side, and these are the short forms which are given in your right hand side. I am. I am. You are. You are. He is. He is. She is. She is. It is. It's. We are. We are. They are. They are. Now come, let's try to do the exercise portion. Dear kids, this chapter is very easy. Only you have to write the short form. Okay? And it's a scoring chapter as well as. Then let us read it out. Rewrite these sentences using the short forms of the words in bold. One has been done for you. See, I am a student of this school. Here जो bold letters है ना, उसको हमको short form में convert करना है. तो ये क्या हो जाएगा? I am. I apostrophe am. I am student of this school. Come, let us do the next one. They are my friends. इसका short form कैसे करेंगे हम? A को remove कर देंगे और apostrophe लगा देंगे. So it will become they are. T-H-E-Y, they, apostrophe R-E. They are my friends. Now turn the page. Come to page number 76. See, in page number 76, there are few more sentences of exercise number 1. Let us try to do it also. We are in class 2. Instead of writing we are full, we will write the short form. We are. We apostrophe R-E in class 2. Then they are in a different class. So we will write they are in a different class. T-H-E-Y, they apostrophe R-E. They are in a different class. Then she is. Bold letter is she is. Our English teacher. We'll write she is our English teacher. She apostrophe S. Then come to F. It is a holiday tomorrow. So how we will write it out? It's a holiday tomorrow. We can form many short forms with the words not. अब हम not को लगा के भी बहुत सारे short forms बना सकते हैं. For example, are not become aren't. Do not become don't. Was not become wasn't. Is not become isn't. Does not become doesn't. Were not become weren't. Now look at the table below to read some short form with the words not. Let us read some short forms with the words not. With the word not. Long forms. You are not. You aren't. He is not. He isn't. He isn't. She is not. She isn't. It is not. It isn't. We are not. We aren't. Then they are not. They aren't. I was not. I wasn't. We were not. We weren't. I do not. I don't. He does not. He doesn't. Note. Dear kids, there is a note. Important note. I, you, he, she, we, they, it. Did not become I, you, he, she, we, they, it. Did not. Alright dear kids. समझ में आया सबको? I, you, he, she, we, they, it. Did not. अगर did not दिया है, did not becomes I, you, he, she, it, didn't. Didn't हम कभी नहीं लिखते, ओके? Did not पूरा ही लिखना पड़ता है. Come, let us see exercise number 2. Rewrite the sentences using the short forms of the words in bold. One has been done for us. See, he is not at home. We will write he isn't at home. Come to the second one. I do not like to drink milk. I don't like to drink milk. Second one is I don't like to drink milk. Write it down. I, D-O-N-T, don't like to drink milk. Then come to page number 77. Page number 77. Question number C. We were not at school today. We aren't at school today. We weren't at school today. W-E-R-E were and apostrophe T. We weren't at school today. Then come to fourth one. Fourth one. I was not happy with the result. And the answer is I wasn't happy with the result. Then come to E. The dogs are not afraid of the cats. The dogs aren't afraid of the cats. Then F. She does not eat green vegetable at all. She doesn't eat green vegetable at all. He did not know where the market was. So we will write like this. He didn't know where the market was. So we had completed our question number 2 as well. It's time to do question number 3. Write the 2 words that make up each of the short forms given below. One has been done for you. हमको क्या करना है? शॉर्ट फॉर्म का फुल फॉर्म लिखना है. आरंट का क्या होगा? आर नॉट. वेरी गुड बच्चों. इजंट का क्या होगा? इज नॉट. देन डज नॉट का क्या होगा? डज नॉट. आई एम का क्या होगा? आई एम. शीज का क्या होगा? शी इज. वी आर का क्या होगा? वी आर. दे आर का दे डिडंट का? डिड नॉट. Excellent dear kids. Now look here. Question number 4. Use the words given below to make 5 short forms. You may use each words only once. अब देखो बच्चों, आपको क्या करना है? वर्ड्स जो नीचे दिए गए हैं यहाँ पे पिंक में, 5 वर्ड्स उसमें से निकालने हैं, उसके शॉर्ट फॉर्म नीचे लिखने हैं. चलो कर लेते हैं. फर्स्ट मैंने लिखा है आई एम. सेकेंड मैंने लिखा है इजंट. थर्ड मैंने लिखा है डजंट. फोर्थ मैंने लिखा है वी आर. फिफ्थ मैंने लिखा है wasn't. सो डियर किड्स, हमने इस चैप्टर में क्या पढ़ा? शॉर्ट फॉर्म्स. क्या पढ़ा? शॉर्ट फॉर्म्स, जिसको हम और क्या बोलते हैं बच्चों? कॉन्ट्रैक्शन. और क्या बोलते हैं हम इसको? कॉन्ट्रैक्शन. एंड मैंने आपको क्या बोला था कि इसका लर्निंग ऑब्जेक्टिव क्या है? ये चैप्टर के फिनिश होते तक आप क्या क्या सीख जाओगे. आपको पता चल जाएगा कि आइडेंटिफाई कैसे करते हैं कॉन्ट्रैक्शन को, फिर कॉमनली कॉन्ट्रैक्टेड वर्ड्स को कैसे आइडेंटिफाई करते हैं, फ्रीक्वेंटली यूज कॉन्ट्रैक्शन को कैसे आइडेंटिफाई करते हैं और कैसे यूज करते हैं। उसके बाद हमने लॉन्ग फॉर्म और शॉर्ट फॉर्म के कुछ एक्सरसाइज की, कुछ वर्ड्स देखे एंड देन फिर हमने उससे रिलेटेड उसकी एक्सरसाइज की। सो डियर किड्स, है ना ये इजी चैप्टर और स्कोरिंग चैप्टर? यस, इसमें हमें सिर्फ शॉर्ट फॉर्म्स लगाने हैं। सो डियर किड्स, दैट्स ऑल फॉर टुडे। इसी के साथ हमारा PA2 का कोर्स फिनिश होता है। सी यू इन द रिविजन लेक्चर्स ऑफ PA2 worksheet and revision sheet. Till then, bye, take care, and if you have any query regarding any of the chapter of PA2, feel free to ask me. We are definitely going to repeat it in our online lessons. Till then, bye, take care, thank you and namaskar.